To access the Early Alert roster, go through PeopleSoft, enter the Faculty Center. 2 of my class rosters are showing here. I'm going to use the second roster and click on Early Alert roster. For a normal class, you would have all of your students showing on the roster. This looks different because there's only 1 student enrolled in the class. From here, I'm going to click on Create Alert. Our next screen shows the various reasons for the alerts. These reasons allow you to connect the student with the various resources on campus, such as the tutoring centers, mental health services, basic needs, counseling, financial aid, EOPS, and SSD. For our example here, the student needs help with writing essays, so I'm going to select Writing Lab and then click on Continue. Our next screen allows us to select the method of contact. The drop-down menu gives us 3 options: Email Custom, Email Formatted, and Referred Service. If we select Email Custom, that gives me the ability to draft a custom email message. The comment section allows me to leave a comment for the service, in this case the Writing Center. The student does not see the comment left here. Next, select Email Content. This next screen allows me to draft a message to the student. Type the message and then select OK. Instead of sending a custom email, I could use the formatted email. This is a quicker way to message the students using the template language created by the service. This is probably the preferred way to message the student since it ensures that information about the service is accurate. On the right, I'll click on Email Content. Our next screen shows the template language that will be sent to the student about the service. This gives faculty an opportunity to see what the student will receive. Review the language, click on OK. Now, our last option for method of contact is Referred Service. This option only sends a message to the service. The student does not see the message. The referred service messages are short and they inform the service that the student needs assistance. The service can then follow up with the student. To recap, the Email Custom and Email Formatted options send the message to the student and the service. It's only the Referred Service option that the student does not see. The referred service is only sent to the service. Okay, now that we've explained the different methods of contact, I'm going to select the email formatted for my choice. I had already checked the content, so now I'm going to select Process Alert. Our next screen here verifies that the message was sent successfully. Now let's click on Return to go back to the Early Alert roster. Now, on this screen, we can see that there's an I for information under the Alert History column. We'll click on the I to see the information on the next screen. Now, this next screen is important because it allows the faculty member to check on the status of the alert to see if the service has contacted the student and left any comments. Because we just initiated the alert, the Writing Center hasn't had a chance to review this yet, but after they receive the alert on their end, they'll follow up with the student. On their end, they'll note that they've contacted the student and provide comments that the faculty member will be able to see here on this screen. It's through this screen that the faculty member can track the status of the alert.